Okay, so here they tell us the set, and that means the group of numbers, and the numbers we're looking at are 1, 2, 3, and 4. And they want to know which of the following notations actually represent that. So I'm just going to zoom right into the answer, and I'll start there because I think that'll help us backtrack and kind of figure out why the others are actually not the answer. The answer here is 3. And what they're saying in 3 is you have x. Well, I know there's no x here, but they're saying x is our variable. Where, or such that, this little line means often referred to as such that. So they're saying let's have this variable x. And that variable x is going to be such that x is greater than 0, but less than or equal to 4, where x is an integer. So what's going on here? Well, an integer is just a positive or negative whole number. That's what we have here. Check. X is greater than 0. Well, you might be worried there for a second thinking, oh, well, what about fractions? Those are greater than 0, but they're not integers. And we're saying here x has to be an integer. So far we're good, and x is going to be less than or equal to 4. Well, less than or equal to 4, 4 is included, check. 3 is included, 2, and 1, and nothing below 1 because x has to be greater than 0. The first integer greater than 0 is 1. So here the choice is 3. The other ones just kind of mess up your endpoints. Like in number 4, it says here x is greater than 1. Well, x can be greater than 1, but can also be equal to 1. So that would actually disregard the number 1, so it's wrong. Here in this one, it says x is greater than 0 and less than 4. Well, greater than 0 is okay, but less than 4 is not, because we should be including 4. Here, greater than 1 and less than 4, what would that be? Well, the integers that are greater than 1 are like 2 and 3, and that's it, because 2 and 3 are greater than 1 but less than 4. But we don't have just 2 and 3, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we want to include the two endpoints, 1 and 4, which is kind of like that's always the way they seem to question these, or set these questions up, seeing if you understand when to include and when not to include certain endpoints in different notations. Alright, hope that helped.